Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Mali trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell below. Just press the subscribe button. So I'm going to start programming my Mali trap beat. This is my FL Studio on the screen. When launching your FL Studio, right click on your mouse. Right click on your mouse like this. Then you click open. But for me, I have already launched my FL Studio. So I'm going to enter my FL Studio app like this. This is my channel rack. This is my playlist. This is my playlist here. This is my channel rack again. This is my mixer. So today we are programming Mali trap beat. It's a country in Africa. So that's a trap beat. I'm going to click on add here. Then pick my FL keys for my Mali trap beat. Now I'll click on my channel rack here. Put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn my mouse to channel 6. After that, I'll put my cursor here, right click, then click piano roll. I've opened my piano roll. This is my piano roll. I'll first of all program the first 2 bars, then copy right to bars number 8. As you can see, I've programmed the first to 4 bars pattern. So I'm going to highlight this 4 bar pattern, copy it right to bars number 8. So the shortcut is just press Ctrl and A to copy it. Ctrl and A on your keyboard to copy it. But me, I'll click on select here. Just put my cursor at the starting of 5. Left click on my mouse, highlight it to left, press Ctrl and B to copy right to bars number 8. Now the next step, I'm going to pick another melody for this Mali trap beat. I'm going to click on add, then click on this 3 times OSC. After that, I'll put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheel to channel 7. Then put my cursor on top of this 3 times OSC, right click, then click piano roll. This is going to be my bass melodies. This is going to be my bass melodies. I'm putting my bass melodies now. Don't forget to subscribe. These are my bass melodies. The next step, we are going to program our hi-hat now. On channel 3, I will right click, then click piano roll. I'll just program the first 2 bars. Copy it to bars number 8. As you can see, rain is falling. You are going to be hearing some sounds. So don't mind, we are just going to continue, follow the steps. Now, 1 to 2 bars. That's it. After that, I'll press on select. Put my cursor left, click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B. Right to bars number 8. That's okay. The next step, channel 4, which is my snare. I'll put my cursor here, right click, then click piano roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's okay. Another bounce like this. This is another bounce. Good. The next step, we are going to pick our kick now. This is our kick. This is how our kick sound. That's it. I'm going to left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1. Right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. I'll start to program my Mali trap beat kick like this. 1 at 2 bar, I'm putting my 2 kick. At 3 bar, I'm putting my 1 kick. At 4 bar, I'm putting my 3 kick. At 5 bar, I'm putting 1. At 6, I'm putting 4 kick. 7, I'm putting 1. 8, I'm putting 3. No, at 8, I'm putting 4 kick. That's okay. Now after that, I'll click on my channel 1, click on its effect target, turn up the boss knob. Then this is our mixer now here. 6 and 7 is our 2 melodies. I'm going to bring down the 6 a little bit, bring down the 7 a little bit, then turn up the 3, which is my hi-hat, turn up the snare, which is my, at 4, I'm going to turn up the snare. And then at 6, let's start mixing our melodies now. I'm going to click on slot 1, add the fruit limiter. I'll click on 2 and add a fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 3 and add a fruity parametric key 2. Now let's go to our 7. I'll click on slot 1, add a fruity compressor. On 2, I'll click on slot 2 and add a fruity limiter. That's okay. That's okay. At 3, I'll click on slot 1 and add a sound goodnizer. At 4, I'll click on slot 1 here and add a fruity limiter. Now let's go to our playlist, view playlist. Make sure you always use 2 up here. Now I'll click on view playlist here as my cursor is pointing at the screen. Where I've written part 1, I'll put my cursor like this. Right click, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio. I'll click on my draw, click on my kick, click back on my playlist, click like this. This is the simple steps. Click on my snare, click back, click on my first melody, click back in my playlist, click on my last melody, click back in my playlist. I'll click on my select here, put my cursor at 9, left, click and hold it, highlight to the left. You can see press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B several times. Well, that's it. I'm extending my beat now. I'm extending my beat. Now I'm going to click on draw. Put my cursor, right click to remove the kick, right click to remove the hi-hat, right click to remove the snare. I'll click on my select, I'll left click, highlight it, press Ctrl and B again. That's it. We're about to arrange our outro. I'll click on my draw, click on my FL keys, click, or click on my last melody, click. I'll put my cursor, left click to remove the hat, put my cursor, left click to remove the snare. Now I've already finished to create the Marley trap beat. Very simple. Tomorrow I'm bringing another beat into full details. This was just a scratch, but tomorrow I'm coming in a full details. Let's listen to the Marley trap beat from the start to the end. And if you don't understand, watch my back then videos. You are going to understand. Don't forget to subscribe. Just press the subscribe button on your screen so that you are going to be updated when I drop my new videos. But first, let's just wait a little bit. Let me spice up this beat first. Let me go back to my mixer. So 3 and 4.